In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a single or multiple pages from your PDF file. I'll be using the 4 online free methods and we are going to see that whether those methods are really free or not. So I would highly recommend that you watch the video till the end so that you do not waste time in looking for these online free solutions which actually are not free. So I have searched on Google delete pages from PDF for free. So the first 4 websites, the smallpdf.com, the ilovepdf.com, and then the Adobe or adobe.com, and lastly the fourth one is sejda.com. So we are going to check these 4 sites and we are going to see that whether they are free or not, and which one puts certain limitations in terms of the number of pages a PDF file you can open within these free methods. I have a book which contains around 554 pages which I am going to upload on all these sites, and I am going to show you whether they are really free or not. So the first website, this sejda.com, I'm going to upload the file here. So as you can see that the file has been quickly uploaded. You can select and delete the pages which you want to delete. Over here you can write the number of pages in with commas you want to delete, or if there is a block of pages, let's say from page 2 to page 5, then you can write here 2-5. so it will take it is going to delete the pages from from page 2 to page 5, and then you can write 7 then comma 11, and this way you can delete these pages. After you have done this, apply the changes. While it was our first time that we went on this website and it is saying that you reach your free limit of 200 pages per document, please upgrade to download the task. So do not go onto this site if you are going for a free solution. However, if you want to pay it, you can just click the upgrade, or you can, or if you already have an account, you can log in. So this method or this website is not free. The next site is from Adobe or adobe.com, and once I was not logged into this website and I have uploaded this file, but somehow it is now giving me the error messages that he is unable to process the request. But the problem which I saw with this website is that if your document is less than 500 pages, then the option is free and it will allow you to delete the pages one by one, and as well as you can select the block pages, or you can remove multiple pages at one time from this website. The third website is smallpdf.com. Click choose the file, select the file will be uploaded, and it will take some time to show you the document. In the meantime, I'm going to upload the file onto this ilovepdf.com, and I'm going to upload the same file over here. And as you can see that this site was faster than the smallpdf.com, and here I can select these pages by putting the cross onto the pages which I want to delete, or I can add the, as you can see that right now it is saying 2-5. if I select this 6th page, it becomes 2-6, which means that if the pages are in a sequence, then you can select those pages by typing 2-6. so from page 2 to page 6 will be deleted. However, if the pages are randomly distributed within the document which you want to delete, then you can type the page numbers by adding the commas over here and then click remove pages. It is going to process. In the meantime, we are going to do the same in the smallpdf.com. Here again the problem is that there is no window where you can select the which pages you want to delete. So the problem here I saw is that you have to individually go to every page which you want to delete and then click this delete icon on the top right. so it is a little time consuming process. So in case of ilovepdf.com, once I'll click the download, it will give me those document with removed pages which I can save on my computer. Similarly, in the smallpdf.com, it is a little slow, but it is right now it is working fine, and it is not asking us to let's say sign in or make an account or pay some money. So as you can see that it is now with reduced pages. Its actual pages were 554 and right now it is 548. Just press download and you can get the PDF file with the removed pages. So overall, if I have to conclude, out of these 4 websites, this website, which was sej.com, is a paid site, and that is why the pricing option is shown here. In the Adobe site, you can delete the pages or remove the pages if your PDF file is less than 500 pages. If it is more than that, then it will not be able to do it. However, these 2 websites, ilovepdf.com and smallpdf.com, both gives you the option to delete the pages. Nevertheless, the smallpdf.com does not have the option of deleting the multiple pages all at once, as was the case available in ilovepdf.com. So at the end, I would recommend you to use this ilovepdf.com. Quick disclaimer that I am not an affiliate with this website, and this website is not sponsoring this video. So thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.